Okay. Today's Thursday. Today is Thursday. So we just had core CPI numbers come out. Trump speaks at 12. So we are running back into this daily fair value gap as suspected. This low, this high here is optical trend entry, bullish for the block. We went right to optical trend entry. So see it says retracement, possibly move up higher. Get rid of this, get rid of this. Previous day high will be here. Get rid of that right now. That daily order block, keep that there. Pretty say low. At least we have this fair value gap that we're, working with right now. So I'll do this. I did this on my MNQ. I always have to edit this because remind me of bodies. See how they respond when they come to these fair value gap lows. Dixie running sideways. Um, yep. Um, yeah, I don't like those wicks on. I'll change all that later. But this is ES. ES barely touching its fair value gap. So you know, think we can move up higher today. Yeah, so you had a 4 hour. Again, I thought we had a market maker model. Stage one, stage two, accumulation, manipulation, you know. But it's important to note we do have an inverse fair value gap here, right? And that's what we were walking towards. Our consolidating in yesterday, and then we had the data high run up here into this inverse and back down into this range. So it's fair value gap to fair value gap. See how bodies are respecting this fair value gap on the 4 hour. Uh, but we went right to optical trade entry. We're just moving sideways as well as that daily low. So see at maybe 10 o'clock we open up, come down, constant encroachment, run up higher, something like that. Or, we continue coming down for these lows down here for this new day opening gap. That's a four. Um, also swing high on the four, so maybe even a swing low on the four. We'll see. Looking at where we are for our. Let me put this up here so I get rid of this. All right. Hourly constant encroachment seems to want to be holding. So we have these almost these relative highs up here, but we did take out these highs. So technically, this is a accumulation right in here. We took out this swing high, run up into this fair value gap. Now we run down lower. We had this hourly change in state of delivery. For standard deviation, so this is perfect. So the expectation for me right now is for price to run up higher. If it wants to continue lower, it may do so. Um, But we'll see. We also had this new week opening gap, and I realized this new week opening gap down here. So a lot of PD arrays for us to go to see a setup form. So just be advised, be flexible um, in this assessment. All right, here we have just a lot of things going on right now. What I want to do here is not that. I want to delete this. Whatever. Won't allow me to delete. But as you can see, took out London, Asia, took out Asia here, you know. So going with the only trade setup for life. The next opportunity would be down here. You could reach there. For us to go short, this is where we are at 12 a.m., 8:30. Start here. So we're above, 8:30, 12 a.m. So going short might not be advisable. Analysis accumulation, run up, down, manipulation. You could get distribution running up here. This is my song right here. It's a mix. But this guy here, that DJ, I think that's what's playing right now. No, that is what's playing right now. It's my song. This here is a new week opening gap, so lots of PD arrays, high time frame. I'm looking at this is a low resistance liquidity run right there. So that's how things are looking. So like where we are in this higher time frame PD array, I want to see if this will be a swing low made on the hourly, um, with the next candle starting at 10 o'clock being an expansion candle up, possibly running into this fair value gap here, to this new week opening, new day opening gap, to these highs up here. Is daily order block still intact? Really? Oh yeah, it's on there. Now what this is? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Outlook trade entry. Boom. Perfect. So it looks fine to me. Get rid of that. Get an inverse on the hourly on ES. Somewhat too on whatchamacallit. Um NQ as well. So if we were to turn this on and off, this is where we are. Right? I actually like the way this looks more, but this needs to be updated, I believe. And I don't feel like working on that right now. Let me log into this machine. So it's a swing low on the 15, coming to this 15 customer encroachment. So I do believe we're gonna run up higher at the open. Daily fair value gap low. Daily order block. First percent fair value gap for another day. Previous day low. We could take this off for our fair value high. That's fine. Keep that there. Daily customer encroachment. Here's our org. So we're gonna just drop him. All right, market's open. Put him here. Drop him here. So if we're below, we're in a discount. If we're above, we're in a premium. Um, so right now we're in a discount, and again, I do believe we're gonna run up into this fair value gap right here after coming to optical trend entry. So you can get these highs right here in the 1 minute. It's 5. So you see we did this fair value gap right here. Dude, we're gonna continue moving up higher. So I'll go gently in on this. Let's see if this 1 minute wants to change. Boom. Smaller fair value gap here forming on the 5. If that's a breakaway gap, it takes us up in there. But again, fine, I'll take a small little trade. And if it works, it works. If it doesn't, I'll take my stop loss underneath this daily. So these eyes up here is what I want to aim for. I got my stop loss here. If that hits, that's fine. I can recover from that by taking a position on a higher time frame. So allow that to run up, do its thing. Right now we can just manage emotions. All right, so that's moving up nicely. Here's optical chart entry. Let's see if this becomes an inverse. Oh, market wants me to compile a lot of positions into this, but we're not going to. So far, so good. Let's see what happens with the 15. All right, so we're in a new 5 here. So we take this off. See, I swing low, swing low, swing low. So this fair value gap still open. See what we get with this. Maybe dip down here, move up higher. It's kind of looking like maybe stage one here. We had our market structure shift here, drop down, run up. And this new day opening gap. See what we're gonna do with that. Come to rebalance at our arc high. Almost at 100 points or 50 points. Oh, my stomach don't feel too good. Ay, ay, ay. See what happens if we dip into this. This closes over. I'll add to it. One, two, three. Kind of like a swing on out here. See how we can consummate crushman on this early? See what he has? That giveaway. Yes, ain't going nowhere. Six sister, perhaps. Is that it? All right, so I just added a little bit more. This is where they took us. This is what we're going for. This 65 number. 65 number takes us to these data highs, almost to these data highs. So This is a bear short of black on hourly. I do believe these previous day highs are a valid target. We got a lot to get through to get up there though. See if we can get there today. All right, I'm gonna take this off. Kind of know where we are right now. I'll just keep this here for purposes of So what we can do is draw here, come back down. This is fair value gap 115, and continue moving up. 5 candle run right here on the five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the terminus. So we may want to consider moving our stop loss. In the event that we do get a retracement, question is where do we retrace back to? Probably down into the consolidation area. So stop loss goes to 900 for me. I wouldn't want to see it break through this consolidation, though it can sweep these lows out here and continue up higher. Here we are, new day opening gap. I like where I have my stop loss. It's above, just below this swing low here, so this fair value gap low. Now I don't expect we run up and we can, weird stuff happens, but yeah. Go for the 830 highs right here. Internal to internal. See what we get with this fair value gap right here. Damn. For real? For real. Wow. Stop loss about to get hit. Hey man, that was a great trade. Um, we wanted these highs. So let's see if we can get another. Man, I was supposed to be a green day today. retraced and hit me at 54 bucks. It happens. Yeah, we had a 5 candle run. Almost coming down to this new first presented fair value gap. So I'll go back in again. I'll buy, see if we can go to these highs up there. $68. All right, that looks good. I like that. So I'll admit I wasn't anticipating that move down to 4. So let's see, that's gonna want to pan out. Back his new day opening gap. See how the bodies are respecting this new day opening gap? It's telling. All right, approaching new 15, 10 o'clock reversal. We get out that position. See if this 10 o'clock gives us. Here we are at 10 o'clock. See how this new day opening gap holds. Kind of looks like a bull short block on the 4 hour. Here we are at new 10 o'clock. This bear short block bodies are respecting it. See that there? Then we have the swing low. So this might be the run up in versus fair value gap right here on yes. Do believe we're gonna go higher, so I'll just have to have courage, be brave. Elliptical highs right here on the one. Small inefficiency right here that we're dipping into. Right topical trend entry. Back down. Smaller inefficiency here. I'm taking that off. So we are in silver bullet. First fair value gap after 10 o'clock. I don't see any fair value gaps here on the one, so I don't think that would be it. Technically, I mean, this kind of is. Um, Maybe we could go short here, given that this is hourly bearish for the block. Yes, went to his midnight open. Has this fair value gap here. We run into that. Don't know. Midnight open. There's some midnight open right here. Bias respecting this hourly bearish for the block. Here's a 5-minute constant encroachment on the wick. Maybe this is just going to be a bearish short block, bullish short block on the 15. If we come down here, be even great. Right now, just chilling at this new day opening gap, and it's just like a 1 minute time frame, which is cool. But usually we want to go down here when we are at a higher time frame point of interest. Yes, right. That says fair value gap. See where we go with this. Maybe down. It says fair value gap down here. Cause of corruption of this wick here, as I suspected. Same with the 15. I like this. Less than 90 seconds on a 15. Looks good. Looks like it's gonna be 15. Pull the shorter block. That hourly bear shorter block gets violated. That'll be good. I've still got 10 minutes left, so came right to that fair value gap high. I need you to go over it. Yes, I see the bodies. It's 5 minute change state delivery. Wow. Takes us up to its previous day highs. Well, this one does. Takes us to that first presented fair value gap from yesterday. 1.5 is an ideal target to get out. I want to see if we go to this 4 hour fair value gap high. See if this fair value gap opens, remains open. New day opening gap supporting us, fair value gap. So it's a nice looking influence. See if we can remain above this body open here on the 15th. Oh wow. Coming into the 5 and 40 seconds. All right, so we got these data highs that we're aiming for. Now we have an inverse forming. Um, ES went to his New York Open. I do believe we can go higher. He continue up higher. I think this is just a smaller retracement into this fair value gap. And continue moving up higher, as we can see here. Stage one, maybe this is stage two. But I may have one trade left. Yeah, not looking to take it right now. I'm just log out. Maybe I come back in the afternoon and do something else. But for now, good trading day. I'm done. Let's take a look at this. Um, so this here, you want to look at, I guess the highest we've ever been was, I don't know, just call this number 28.52. Um, right now we're at 28.14, but it's not correct. We're at 17.24. So I don't know. I don't know why this thing isn't working, but whatever. A good goal is to get to 4,000. Not sure if we get there today, but yeah, good job. Supposed to get that payout sometime soon. I don't know when it's gonna come. Hopefully, it comes today. I got things to do. Still going up for these 4 hour for Vega up high. No trades taken in my self-directed account. Uh, didn't see any higher time frame entries, but this here it's looking good. This is only what if we were to take this, be like I don't know, 24 bucks loss. Expectation we cover for these size up here, so it looked like something like this. So it's 7 points, 10 points to make 200 bucks. I'll take it, but then I'm going away. This is 26 bucks to make to get to that new day high. Um, low high, lower low, higher high. Maybe it'll come back, run up, come down, boom, enter here, and move up higher, or we just may continue on moving up higher from where we are right now. I don't want to get the habit of just jumping in on a trade um, instinctually, though at times I do that. But right now, I'm gonna practice completing the cycle of walking away. So with that said, I'm done. Peace. Boom. Now my stop loss take profit would have been hit. Take profit would have been hit. So saw that little, yeah, my stop loss bit too tight there. So all good. So good. Cover for these size up here. Maybe even go higher. All right, that's it for me. Peace.